This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Pancakes Roblox Easy Guide. Start by opening Roblox Studio, create a flat part for your pan, add a pancake sprite, script simple touch to flip, and test and play mode until flipping feels natural and fun. Adjust collision boxes, set materials and colors, add sound effects and particle splashes, tune physics properties like friction and density, and publish to Roblox for friends to enjoy. For the pancake flip script, use touch or click detector events with a debounce to prevent double flips, animate rotation over time, and play hit sounds. Use remote events for server-client syncing, and test on mobile and desktop. Add UI prompts and score increments for perfect flips, then refine timing, animation easing, and spawn rates so gameplay stays balanced and satisfying. Also consider accessibility options like adjustable sound, colorblind-friendly palettes, and simple tutorials for new players. Quick recommendation: if you like comfy gear while scripting, subscribe and like if this video is helpful, and hit the bell for updates. Socks: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty, a fun comfort boost while you build pancakes. I appreciate every like and comment. It helps creators keep making tutorials. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Design pancake visuals with layered textures, simple shaders, and sprite atlases to save memory. Create topping variants with color swaps and modular toppings for variety, then use particle emitters for syrup splashes and steam. Optimize by batching decals, limiting particle counts, and using LODs so the game runs smoothly on lower-end devices while keeping visuals appealing. Also reduce texture resolutions where invisible, compress audio, and profile CPU scripts to remove hot spots before publishing to Roblox.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.